Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Rohanar. Today we are going to see about the concept of clearing the air, means understanding the air pollution, its effects and its solutions. Introduction to air pollution. Air pollution is a preserving environmental issue that affects the health and well-being of a people around the world. It refers to a presence of harmful substance in the air resulting from human activities such as industrial process, vehicle emission and burning of fossil fuels. The impact of air pollution extends beyond the health, impacting the ecosystem and contributing to climate change. Understanding the source, types and effects of air pollution is crucial for developing a sustainable solution to the global challenge. This session will provide an in-depth exploration of air pollution covering its various sources, types of pollutants and the far-reaching effects on both human health and environment. Through this exploration, we will gain a comprehensive understanding of the complex issue of air pollution and its implications for society. What are the sources of air pollution? Basically, there are four sources of air pollution. First source is industrial emission. Industrial activities like manufacturing, construction, and power generation releases a harmful pollutants such as particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide into the air. This emission contributes significantly to the air pollution, especially in urban areas with heavy industrialization. Our second source is agricultural activity. Agriculture practices like pesticides used, livestock farming and crop burning releases ammonia, methane and other pollutants into the atmosphere. This emission affects the air quality and contributes to the regional air pollution, particularly in rural areas with intensive farming. Our third source is vehicular emission. Exhaust from cars, trucks and other vehicles is a major source of air pollution, emitting carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxide. Urban traffic congestion exerts this issue, leading to the high level of pollution on metropolitan areas. Our last source is waste disposal. Improper disposal of waste, including the incineration of landfill operation, generates the air pollution like dioxins, furans, and greenhouse gases. These emission poses a health risk to nearby communities and contributes to the air pollution on local and regional scale. Okay, now let us see about the types of air pollutants based on particular matter. These are a tiny particles suspended in the air which can be a solid or liquid. They come from a various sources such as vehicle emission, industrial process and construction activities. Particular matter can penetrate deep into the respiratory system and have adverse health effects. In the case of nitrogen oxide, generate from the combustion process in the vehicles, power plants and industrial facility. Nitrogen oxide contributes to the formation of ground level of ozone and it's linked to the respiratory problems and environmental damage. In the case of sulfur dioxide, it produced by burning fossil fuels containing sulfur such as coal and oil. It can cause the respiratory illness and contribute to the formation of acid rain, which impacts the ecosystem and infrastructure. And our fourth type is volatile organic compound released from the various sources like vehicle exhaust and industrial processes and the use of solvents. Volatile organic compound react with other pollutants to form smog and can have a harmful health effects including the neurological and reproductive impacts. Okay, now let us also see about the health effects of air pollution. Air pollution has a detrimental effects on human health, contributing to the incidence of various respiratory diseases such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lung disease. Additionally, long-term exposure to the air pollutants can lead to a cardiovascular disease, including a heart attack and strokes. Particular matter and ground level ozone are major contributors to these health issues as they can penetrate deep into the lungs and cause inflammation leading to the respiratory problems. Furthermore, vulnerable population such as children, the elder and the individual with pre-existing health conditions are at a higher risk of experiencing a several health effects due to the exposure of air pollution. In urban areas with high population level, the prevalence of respiratory elements and cardiovascular complication tends to be a significantly higher, emphasizing the urgent need for effective air quality management and pollution control measures. Environmental effects of air pollution. Deforestation. Air pollution contributes to the deforestation by depositing a harmful chemical on the leaves of a trees, hindering their ability to photosynthesis and grow. This leads to decline in forest cover and loss of habitat for countless species, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystem. Acid rain damage. Acid rain, a direct result of air pollution from industrial emission, damage forests and soils and aquatic ecosystem. It can also erode buildings and monuments, leading to irreversible damage to historical structures and natural landscape. Ozone layer depletion. Air pollution like chlorofluorocarbon CFC contributes to depletion of ozone layer, leading to the increased exposure to the harmful UV radiation. This poses a serious risk to human heart, including skin cancer, cataracts, and compromises the human immune systems. Okay, now let us see about the air pollution control measures, prevention and reduction. One crucial control measure for air pollution is implementing the prevention and reduction strategies. This includes the development and enforcement of regulation and standards for industry, vehicles, and energy production to limit the release of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. Additional promoting the use of cleaner technologies and renewable energy source can significantly contribute to reducing the air pollution. The air quality monitoring. Monitoring the air quality is another essential step in controlling the air pollution. Regular and comprehensive monitoring allows for the identification of pollution sources, the assessment of air pollution standards, and the enforcement of regulation. This involves the use of advanced technologies such as air quality sensors and satellites to monitoring the track pollutant levels and patterns. Conclusion. In conclusion, air pollution is a critical global issue that demands immediate attention and comprehensive action. The detrimental impact on human health, ecosystem, and the environmental as a whole necessity proactive measure to mitigate and control the pollution levels. It is essential for government, industry, and individual to work together to implement a sustainable solution that prioritize the clean air for all. Through the advancement in technology, stricter regulation, and widespread awareness, we can strive towards a future where a clean, breathable air is a fundamental right for every living being on the planet. Thanks for watching the video till end. Please like, share, and subscribe for further videos.